Creditors Voluntary Liquidation, or a CVL, is the most common type of liquidation for an insolvent business. It commences with the directors issuing notices to shareholders and creditors, and then is ratified by both parties further along in the process. This is quite different to a compulsory liquidation, which is the following of a winding up petition that's been issued by a creditor and then an order being made by the court. The benefit of liquidation is obviously that it eliminates any existing liabilities such as HM Revenue and Customs and any trade creditors suppliers and any loans or overdrafts with the bank. What directors should be aware is that any personal guarantees that they've provided to suppliers and more commonly the banking institutions will fall upon them personally once the company is closed. If the liquidation is being done by the directors as part of a restructure, then it allows them to deal with any unprofitable parts of the business and releases the company from any unprofitable contracts and significant finance agreements. It's very common for the directors to use the process to restructure and start again with a new company. Of course, it's perfectly legal for them to do that. Very often they will look to purchase the assets from the liquidator. Commonly these will meet the costs of the liquidation process and any surplus is then distributed to creditors. The main restriction on directors is in respect of use of company name. There's part of the Insolvency Act which stipulates that a director of a company that's gone into liquidation cannot set up again by using a company with a same or similar name to that of the company that went into liquidation. Very often directors will just simply start a company with a completely different name, or potentially they could look to purchase any perceived value of the name from the appointed liquidator and disclose the facts to the unsecured creditors. At TH Financial Recovery, we provide all our clients with a free consultation. I hope you found this useful, an initial insight to how the process works. But if you have any further questions, feel free to get in touch.